Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jojo and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So in today's episode, I'll be taking you along as we go thrift shopping with one of my faves. I do love her content. It's all about home decor, home styling, and you'll get to meet her very soon. So today we are going to Toi Market to look for bedding. So it's around 11 a.m. and I'm just leaving the house to go meet her shortly. So I guess we will see you guys shortly. So it's a few hours later and guess who I am with? Hi!
Hi guys, how are you? So I introduce myself. Okay, so I've been given the platform to introduce myself, and I'm Yvonne Kendi. I do have a channel also called Yvonne Kendi, and my content is about home decor, home styling, and yeah, so today we came to shop. I also do a bit of shopping, but not as you. You do a lot of it.
Yes,
yeah.
a lot of thrifting.
Yeah, you do a lot of thrifting. But for me, my content is mostly on home styling. But a bit when I go shopping, I always tag my guys along, my subscribers along, and I'll be happy to, also have a few friends on this other side.
Yeah, so guys, make sure you check her channel out. I'm going to link it in the description box below. She's called Yvonne Kendi, so she has you should go and see the makeovers that she has done in her place. So beautiful. You love her style.
Thank you, Jojo.
Yeah, so we are here looking for carpets.
Yeah, and bedding.
Yes, and
anything that has to do with styling up a space, throw blankets,
yeah,
duvet covers, carpets. Also, if we find a few home decor items like home goods, we can also look for that. And,
sure.
Share also that with you. So,
yeah.
Thank you for having me on your platform.
Thank you for. It's been long, but we've been planning this for so long.
Yeah, so long. Ever since the start of this year, and then Miss Rona happened. Then we had to postpone, and then we planned to also have it. Was it last week?
Last week.
Yeah, and then I had to go to Isli. Sorry about that, but now we are here, and we have done a bit of shopping. So we're going to walk around Kidogo because we haven't explored the entire market.
Yeah.
And if we see something nice,
definitely you're going to share.
Yeah, on both our channels.
Yes.
So let's keep on shopping. It's two-sided. Okay. Hii tunaweza estimate what size. It's more of a niseme jutrag. Is it jutrag? Because this is not size. Na si soft, lakini ni kitu unaweza lea another softer rag
on top. Yeah.
Hii tunaweza sema ni size gani?
Okay. 7x6.
Hii inaenda na ngapi? 68. Ya kuongea. Alright.
6,800.
Sasa si tuone ipi? Ndio nimeona, lakini I think most people prefer the black side.
Ndio kwa sababu uchafu.
Hebu we see this pink one.
Nice. This is beautiful.
Oh my God, jackpot.
Nini, how much?
5.5.
Na bei ya mwisho na kwa ngapi?
Napunguza kidogo.
Hii.
Okay, yes, let's see this. Let's see. Yeah. Nimeanza kuona
ulikuwa kukuja huku.
Bani niende Isli. This is nice.
Hey, nice.
Wow. Si kubwa sana. I think ingekuwa tu. Kwanza kama ni mimi, this would be perfect for dining.
Basi si overlap na ile ingine. Sababu ile ingine ni mrefu.
Yeah, lakini sasa the dining is behind. Yeah, so it can work. Hii nayo ni 5.5 pia ma? Alright. Oh, you also have another one, the same. You have two. Oh, ni kubwa.
So hii ni size gani? Na ni how much?
My people.
Waka ni kadogo. Na unaweza kuwa na rana kama hii, iko na hii design. Hii feel yake. Ai, hapana. Kitu plain kama hii.
Mimi naona wewe utauza.
Uko na selection poa.
Na this mat? Na rizoma?
Si wewe. Vitu.
Ndio tuweke watu wakuja kununua. Kama utaki customer mchukue namba yako. Unajua tukienda kununua hii kazi yetu tunakuwa na YouTube, kwa YouTube channel. Sasa tukienda kwa duka tunapenda kwenda huko. Sasa tukionyesha ndio kama ni ndio tunatembea. New dish pink. Hii stock baba nayo inaenda na pesa ngapi?
Hizi ni kila moja na bei.
Kama hii?
Oh, okay, kama hii. Kama hii.
And it's warm. Napenda pink. So guys, it's hours later and we are done shopping. We've walked around actually. Yeah.
That is enough exercise for today. For entire week.
Hey, we've walked a lot.
Walked a lot. Yeah.
So the places are Toi and Dani, not Adams near the petrol station. So you have to go inside past Toi Primary.
Yeah.
And the good thing is there are a lot of vendors selling bed sheets and carpets.
Even curtains.
Yeah, curtains.
Even curtains.
Yeah, very beautiful ones.
So many things.
Yes, and the prices are very good.
They're good, and you can actually bargain. So,
that's the good part.
Yeah, that's the good part. But I think the best thing for someone to do is to just come and explore the market.
Yeah.
Because we also had issues like filming in those shops. Some people are not that friendly. They
Yeah.
didn't allow us to do it. So I think the good thing is you come and explore. Kondani wingie too.
Yeah.
You take around one day off and just come and walk and see what they have to offer, because they have really nice things.
Yeah, they do.
So, yeah.
So we are seated here taking a rest
and buying clothes.
And I have a gift from Kendi. I'll wear it in one of my upcoming videos. You'll get
please,
to see
you
it.
should. You should.
It's very hot.
Yeah,
You'll
it's
see
so
it.
nice. It's so beautiful.
Thank you
It's
so
so
much.
you.
Thank you so much.
Happy to have gifted you something, because it was my first time meeting you, and I've really waited for this time for so long.
It's been a
to
long time
actually
coming.
meet you. So
Yeah.
I was to come and meet you with a gift, but I didn't get a chance to. I know you love candles. I was to go and get candles for you, but it's okay. Yeah. So I decided. You did. It's okay. No, it's okay. You know, people are different. It's okay.
Yeah,
For me, I
true.
wanted to, meet and give you something, because I've always wanted to meet you, and you've always been so sweet to me. Because social media, she's just the sweetest person ever. You're good. You're a good friend, and now I'm happy that I met you.
Yeah, finally we've met after like almost a year.
Yeah, almost a year. Yeah, but it's okay. Good timing, Pia. And your good timing.
Yeah, true. This was the perfect time for us to meet.
Yeah.
So guys, I'll link her this video and also her channel in the description box below. Make sure you watch her, and please help her reach 10k subscribers.
Thank you so much, Jojo.
She's
Thank
Sonia.
you.
Sonia,
Thank you.
yeah.
By the way, I'm Sonia. I think before today's on a Monday, right?
Yeah, Monday.
I think by Wednesday maybe nitakuwa nimefika hapo 9k. So I think we can go to
so
10k.
to 10k, please kindly, I'll appreciate Sana.
Thank you, Jojo. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. It was
I
fun.
appreciate it, and thank you too for finding time, and I'm happy that we did this collab. Looking forward to doing more with you.
But then we will do more.
We have to do more. Maybe we can go to Komba now.
Yeah, but then she's never been to Gikomba, as in, can you imagine? She has never,
And
all her she has never been. Yeah, we have to make sure that she goes to Gikomba.
We have to go to Komba.
We have to.
Yeah. So we plan for that.
Yeah, we will. So that's it guys for today's video. I'll see you next time.
Yeah, bye guys. Bye.